fill it up. Get my $10,000 if I fill it up. Alright, pretty good. Minor lotion. Love the miners. Alright. What do we end up with? Alright, end up with 277. Thanks for watching. See if we do as we did last time. Last 10 too. That majors went by 3 times while I've been playing this. It just seems like it's gonna hit, so I've been hanging on to this thing. Ooh, that's that's pretty good. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's good. So I'm going to keep playing this for a while. That major's been popping up often. Alright. Thanks for watching. Still work to get my $100 back. This machine still has a $1,000 major. Let's get that. $98, almost up now. I'm gonna keep going for that major of $1,000 down to $40. Trying to get that $1,000 major. Oh man, sorry about that. Chip. Chip. Come on, Chip. Oh, there you go. 5 cents. Now we need the major, minor, mini to land. One more game. One more spin. Alright, $40. Thanks for watching. $100 in this thing. The major is still 1,000. I'm gonna go max spin. See what happens. $2.79. Oh, there you go. Not crazy big ones, a bonus. Alright, $25, $50 there. Alright. A major can drop anytime. Alright, mini's 20. Last one. Hit. Alright, that's good. Let's fill it up. $12,000. Let's see what happens. No. No. And no. Alright. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's pretty good. Got some. So that was pretty good. Alright. Thanks for watching. 144. Give me a hand pay. 24.
Ladies and gentlemen, Elvis has left the building.